My name is Alan, and I'm thrilled to share with you my journey of building a business that's reached a valuation of $25 million. I've been fortunate enough to have worked across various industries, from tech to real estate, and each experience has taught me invaluable lessons that I'll be sharing with you today. When I first started my business, I faced a multitude of challenges. Funding was one of the biggest hurdles. I had to bootstrap my company and work with limited resources. I remember the countless nights spent worrying about how I would make ends meet and the endless days of trying to secure meetings with potential investors. The competition was fierce, and I often felt that I was just another small fish in a massive ocean. To make matters worse, I have faced significant personal obstacles. There were times when I doubted my abilities, and I struggled to balance my work and personal life. I had to make sacrifices, like giving up time with family and friends and constantly being on duty, but it was all worth it in the end. Despite these challenges, I was driven by a clear vision of what I wanted to achieve. The initial months were tough, and I had to juggle multiple roles: CEO, marketing manager, and sales representative all at once. It was overwhelming, to say the least, but I was determined to succeed, and I spent every waking moment thinking about my business and how I could improve it. As I navigated these challenges, I realized that I needed to be proactive and seek help. I attended industry conferences, joined networking groups, and sought mentorship from experienced entrepreneurs. These connections not only provided valuable advice, but also opened doors to new opportunities. To overcome these challenges, I took a strategic approach. I focused on building a strong team around me, people who shared my vision and were passionate about what we were doing. I also prioritized learning from my mistakes. Every setback was an opportunity to grow and refine my strategy. One of the significant strategies I implemented was a customer-centric approach. I made sure to listen to our customers' needs and adapt our products and services accordingly. This not only helped us to retain clients, but also led to word-of-mouth referrals, which were instrumental to our growth. Another crucial lesson I learned was the importance of adaptability. The business landscape is constantly changing, and being able to pivot and adjust our strategy was key to staying ahead of the competition. The pivotal moment for my business came when we landed a major client that helped us to scale significantly. This partnership not only provided a substantial influx of capital, but also gave us the credibility we needed to attract even more significant clients. This breakthrough changed my approach in that it made me realize the power of strategic partnerships. I began to focus on building relationships with key players in our industry, which led to more collaborations and further growth. The growth that followed was phenomenal. We expanded our offerings, entered new markets, and continued to build a talented team. It was an incredible feeling, seeing the business flourish and knowing that it was a result of hard work and perseverance. The journey wasn't without its lessons. I learned that resilience is key, that success rarely happens overnight. If you're looking to embark on a similar journey, I want to leave you with a few takeaways. First, be prepared to face challenges head on. Second, don't be afraid to seek help and learn from others. And finally, stay adaptable and focused on your vision. If you made it this far, I want to hear from you. What are your entrepreneurial dreams? Share with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and stories from my journey. If you'd like to discuss anything that you've heard in this video with me, that's Alan from Alpus Group, don't hesitate to call me on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Or if you're building an online AI business, you can contact me at alan@alpusonlineai.com. Cheers for now.